DJM TV.
Oga Ned Nwoko set to take wife number 7. This one wey dey ground so hope say Mama Regina don ready her spiritual warfare because John go don mature. Last Papa go tear because this one e go red. All my people, now welcome to DJM TV news. You una dey get sharp story as it dey happen. We dey tell una the gist as it be based on happenings wey dey happen around us. The story wey we carry come this time now about this popular Nigerian billionaire senator, Chief Ned Nwoko. He don dey over social media say the guy be like say he wan marry wife number 7 as his wife Regina Daniel post one picture for Instagram when they show one lady, Arab lady by the name Sarah, when she wear engagement ring. News people call the carry and they talk say Oga Ned Nwoko be like say don set to take wife number 7 and all of us know say this thing get as e be because last time when we hear say Chika Ike wan put leg for the matter, Mama Regina no take her easy with am at all. He tell her say Chika Ike not leave her husband, her picky husband, she go spiritual. But wait to my people, more reason this babe wey Oga Ned Nwoko the soji. He get fine, fair, Arab lady, Muslim lady. Story carry and say she be UK based lady. I mean say Oga Ned Nwoko even get eye for better things. He get eye for international things. The part wey call the boss my head for this full matter now, how they even meet? We know say senator they travel, no based on traveling things, but reason this babe, I'm not sure say na coincidence. Oga Ned Nwoko, I get eye for fair ladies so. The why the reason herself? It be like saying one of our traditional fathers now be this guy role model for wife marrying because the rate at which this guy they go so this matter get as e be go so quickly. But our sister Regina Daniel don't come outside, don't call us say the picture when she post for Instagram not be her husband not want marry the lady. Say the lady na just her friend wey come Nigeria. For her Instagram page, she said the news about Sarah being my husband's wife is completely false. She's my friend who came visiting. All these kind of fine girls wey they call visit you for inside the husband house, call the wear engagement ring, call the tag and wifey. You want more to believe now say Oga Ned Nwoko not the use corner eye they look the babe because last time when we check with the plenty wife and plenty children, fine wife, fine children, we observe say that this guy like fair ladies. You know, ladies are light skinned. But Chika Ike matter for this whole thing, and I will never cause still understand because you see the yes, Oga Ned Nwoko he engage Chika Ike. But Mama Regina Daniel don't come outside, do video, shout for everywhere. You know, want anybody make it touch your picky husband. But what we reason now? Regina Daniel na wife number 6. That means number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, they don't did there before she come. If the rest people Mama they don't shout, why she go the shout for the matter? Although Chika Ike don't come outside, popular Nigeria actress, fine girl, she don't come outside call to say she and Ned Nwoko they no get anything no. She no want marry the man no. Say this when you people just carry the talk for social media, say na lie you. Say she and Ned Nwoko, nothing they happen between them. But you see this our royal father, so they are laughing of Oyo. My mind they tell me say na be Ned Nwoko role model for this matter because this our royal father also I salute you. Guy get eye for fine thing. Fair ladies in the life fine girls, fine women wey fair. Surround yourself with fine things so that you say go live long. My mind they tell me say now this leg now Oga Ned Nwoko won't carry. Marry fine ladies around her so that you know it go live long. I will not forget say Oga Ned Nwoko na senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That means the guy get enough cash to go around. But the fact say he they use that to decide to the join a wife there. I will never still understand why you. I not forget say earlier this year, 29 to be precise, Regina Daniel born pikin. My sister, the matter he get as e be. Why I laugh be say now not forget also say the guy for one interview he told the reason why he love his wives them or why he marry his wives them now because they be virgin. You know the our mind the reason. I call the reason now. If he marry Regina Daniel because she be virgin, And that one should not be virgin again, at least because she don't drop picking, don't drop one engine, not be chassis again. That means you don't find another chassis where you go to wait till they follow up. You understand now? You understand what they talk now? That the matter be. So people don't see come outside, don't call her to Regina Daniel, don't call Sunday Yaban. Say make she forget. Say she go soon join wife's alumni. Say the guy, the matter not normal. Say me Regina Daniel, mama not worry. She go shout, she go tire. I been abroad again. I want go shout for any. The guy go couple line, go put her for one side. Because yeah, like say Bros Ned, I want to take over from Bros Solo for this our generation. Because the way the guy they had down, we never still understand what's the apple. But all of us with the watch show, we they look our eye open. So because may not be like saying I'm marrying of wife, that the guy they making money. I not talk for that one because I not feel confirm that one. But anyhow, this fine baby Ned Nwoko just want maybe like say one join so. We hope say that she go be the 7th and the final wife of Oga Ned Nwoko. But though again one guy when he come outside talk one thing, he say she no say Oga Ned Nwoko na Muslim, and according to a religion, he go fit marry plenty wife. We know all am. We know all am at all. But I won't be say make it not use our money to marry wife finish. Now our money they use because na senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. For Regina Daniel, we go advise you say you go bear her. And so you do the ones who dey your front. Now so they take choose you over there. So don't forget how people say king when they take flog first wife, it dey back of door, they wait for second wife. My people, I hear we'll end our news what we get from that today.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.